pay courtesy call to His Excellency the Governor of Lagos State. We are starting off the government-private sector dialogue series. This is an initiative that the President has asked us to begin to communicate and to take home to our communities and our stakeholders a renewed hope agenda. We have done a lot, Mr. President has done a lot, and under the renewed hope agenda, the vision of prosperity is entrenched. And so I have come to Lagos to begin that dialogue series, starting with the Southeast community, and we came here to meet with the governor to present our agenda to the governor. And at the end of it, we also agreed that to deepen the collaboration and dialogue between the Igbo communities and Lagos State, there was a need to have the Lagos Igbo Consultative Council, a forum and a platform that will engender greater communication, collaboration, transparency and understanding between the government and the private sector in the state. So this is the objective, and this is what the President wants us to achieve, and I'm glad that the governor, who is the chief host of this first series, is championing the initiative and is giving the full backing of the Lagos State government to this initiative. And we see greater prosperity, and we see greater peace and coordination for everyone, not just for the Igbo communities in Lagos. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.